Hi everyone, welcome to SriSai online training. So today in this session of core Java programming, we are going to discuss the following topics. So this is a demo session 1 today in core Java. So today we'll discuss introduction to Java programming, second topic history of Java programming, third topic Java computer applications. So what are the different types of computer applications which we can develop using Java programming, and what are the different Java programming products? Okay, apart from computer applications, what are the different applications which we can develop using Java? Right. So first of all, let us start with introduction to Java programming. So now coming to introduction to Java programming. So first of all, what is Java? So Java is a computer programming language. So Java is a computer programming language using which we can develop end user computer applications or computer programs. And technically they are called as application software. So for example, what are end user computer applications? Notepad, okay, calculator, etc. So these are end user computer applications which can be developed using Java programming language. So who is end user? Okay, so end user means any person who is interacting with computer and computer applications. So any person who is interacting with computer and computer applications are called as end user. So basically end user applications are notepad applications, calculator applications, office applications, media player applications, etc. So using Java, we can develop end user computer applications or programs, and technically it is known as application software. Right. So initially Java was known as Oak. Okay. OAK. So this was named in 1991. So what is the use of Oak language? So using Oak language, we can develop embedded systems programs, or we can develop programs for embedded devices. So initially Java was known as Oak programming language, which was preliminarily used to develop applications or programs for embedded systems or embedded devices. So what are embedded devices? So embedded devices are those electronic devices which are designed and developed for single purpose to end user, means specific use to the end user. So these are single purpose devices or electronic devices. Okay, so what are single purpose electronic devices? Like in 1990s we had VCR, video cassette recorder, VCP, video cassette player. We had Walkmans, MP3 player like Sony Walkman, okay, Philips Walkman, etc. Washing machines. So washing machines are single purpose. We can wash only clothes, but we cannot do cooking. Refrigerator. In refrigerator, we can store the food items, vegetables, but we cannot do cooking in refrigerator. So single purpose electronic devices are called as embedded devices. So this was the main purpose of Java programming language in 1991, which was called as Oak programming language. Right, now let us try to understand what is the difference between computer system and embedded systems. Okay, so what is computer? So computer is an electronic device which takes input from the user, processes that input and gives the required output. So basically computer is a multi-purpose electronic device. Okay, so coming to embedded system is also an embedded electronic device which is single purpose electronic device. So single purpose electronic device. Right, so this is what is the basic difference between computer system, embedded system. Now coming to the second difference, in computer system, we have all components different. For example, keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, etc. So all these are different components. Whereas in embedded systems, all components are grouped together as a single unit. Okay, so all components are grouped together as a single unit. For example, if you take a remote is a single unit. If you take a oven, microwave oven is a single unit. We can take a digital watch, it is a single unit. Okay, so this is physical difference between computer system and embedded system. So different components in computer system, single unit, different components embedded together as a single component. Next, so in computers, we can perform multiple tasks at a time. For example, let us say that you are typing a resume in MS Word. Okay, so while typing the resume, in the background, you can play the music, and also in the background, you can download files from the internet. So we can do Word plus music plus downloading. So this is called as multitasking in computer system. Whereas in embedded system, we can do only single task at a time. For example, if you take a remote, so in remote, we can increase the volume or decrease the volume. Okay, increase or decrease the volume one at a time. After that, we can also mute one at a time. After that, we can check for menu, TV menu or something like music system menu at a time. So here we can perform one by one sequentially all the tasks. So this is the technical difference between computer system and embedded system. So now let us understand history of Java programming language. So basically, Oak was developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems USA. Okay, so Sun Microsystems is a IT company which is there in USA. Okay, so Oak 1991. So this was in the year 1991. So later in 1995, Oak language was commercialized for writing computer programs to the end user. Okay, so the same Oak language, initially it is used for embedded systems. Later in the year 1995, it was commercialized for developing computer programs. So computer programs means basically something like notepads or something like calculators. Okay, etc. So the name Java was given by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in the year 1995. Okay, so one small technical point here. Right, so Oak language, it was used for embedded system programming, whereas Java language, so this was used for computer system programming. So Oak 1991, Java programming language 1995. So this is a simple difference between Oak programming language and Java programming language. Right. So now inside Sun Microsystems, okay, so this language was known as Green Talk, okay, and the team was known as Green Team, okay. So initially Green Talk and the Sun Microsystem, James Gosling and team was known as Green Team. So this was the internal name for Java programming language. Green Talk, Green Team. Okay. So basically what is this oak? Okay. So oak is a national tree in USA. Like in India, the national tree is banyan tree. Okay. So similarly in USA, the national tree is oak tree. So based on that tree name, initially it was given as oak programming language. But why they have changed it to Java programming language? Because in USA there was another company with the name Oak Technologies. So that was the primary reason why they have changed it from Oak language to Java programming language for developing computer applications. And finally, why we prefer Java when compared to other programming languages. So three simple reasons we have. So Java is a simple programming language. 2. Java is a platform independent language. 3. Java is an open source language, so free of cost for education and training. So simple programming language means, okay, what is this simple programming language? So we'll try to understand this with two reasons. Okay, so Java is easy to learn and simple to write programs. Okay, and using Java we can write programs with less number of coding lines. So this was the primary reason why it is called as simple programming languages. Like this we have many other reasons, but this is a basic reason. Easy to learn, simple to write computer programs, so program with less number of coding lines. Okay, right. So second one, it is a platform independent programming language. So what do you mean by platform? Platform means OS. So we have different operating systems, like we have Windows operating system, we have Linux operating system, we have Mac operating system, etc. Okay, so Java programs are write once and run anywhere. So anywhere means any operating system. So write once, run anywhere. So this feature was not there in C++. So that's why Java programming language is a platform independent programming language. So write once, run on any operating system. Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. So this is what we call it as, okay, platform independent programming language. Okay, now coming to the third reason, Java is a open source programming language. What is open source programming language? It is completely free of cost. Okay, so Java software is free of cost. Okay, so free of cost for education and training purpose. Okay, So for education and training purpose, it is completely free of cost. So anybody can download Java, install Java on any operating system, and start developing their computer end user applications. So these are the three basic reasons why we prefer Java when compared to other programming languages. First one, simple programming language. Second one, platform independent programming language. And third one, open source programming language. Right, so this is what is all about a small history to Java programming language. So now let us try to understand what are the different types of programs or types of applications we can develop with Java programming language. So basically, in computers, using Java, we can develop two types of applications or computer programs. First one, standalone applications. Second one, network-based applications. Right, so what are standalone applications? So standalone applications are those applications which are designed and developed for single user, single system application. Okay, so single user, single system application. For example, calculator, notepads, MP3 players, video players, single user games, etc. See, to use a calculator or notepad, we require single system, single user. So these are stand-alone applications. Okay, so generally nowadays these applications are called as desktop install and use applications. So generally on any desktop, Windows desktop, Linux desktop or Mac desktop, we install them and we use them. So these are single user, single system standalone applications. Next, second one, network based applications. So network based applications are those applications which are designed and developed for multi users and multiple systems, and they work with local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and nowadays it is internet only. Okay, so these applications are network based applications, and to run these applications we compulsory require a internet. For example, email application, chatting application, file sharing application, printer sharing application, or internet sharing application. Right, so we also have different applications. For example, we can take web applications. So what are applications, web applications ma? Gmail.com, Facebook.com, or Citibank.com, etc. So all these websites which run on browser, they come under network based applications. Okay, so multi-user, multiple systems working together using internet. So these are the two types of applications using which we can work with Java: standalone applications and network based applications. So one basic important technical point, let us try to understand what is computer. So computer is a hardware electronic device. Okay, so computer is a hardware electronic device, and to use this hardware we require a software. What is software? So software is a collection of computer programs. So multiple computer programs makes up a computer software. Then what is program? So program is nothing but set of instructions given to computer to perform our task or work successfully. Okay, so once again I'll repeat it: set of instructions or commands given to computer to perform our task or work successfully is known as program. And to write a program, we require computer programming language. And one such best programming language to develop computer programs is Java programming language. Okay, and as previously discussed, of all the different computer programming languages, like we have C programming language, we have C++, we have .NET, we have Python, we have Ruby, we have Perl, we have COBOL, etc. So for all these programming languages, we prefer Java. First, simple programming language, platform independent programming language, open source programming language. Okay, so now coming to Java programming language. So Java programming language is currently owned by Oracle Corporation. So now Java is not under Sun Microsystems. It is under Oracle Corporation USA. Why? So in 2005, Sun Microsystems was running into debts, losses. So in 2010, Oracle Corporation had undertaken all the products of Sun Microsystems, including Java programming products. Okay, so today if we want to download Java software, we have to go to www.oracle.com. under that, Java for Java software. So we'll discuss this, how to download and how to install Java in the coming sessions. Okay, so this is a small technical point related to computers, Java, Sun Microsystem, and Oracle Corporation. So now let us try to understand what are the other programming products of Java. Okay, so Java is not a small programming language. It is a vast programming language. So the first programming product of Java is called as Java SE. So SE stands for Standard Edition. Okay, so using this Standard Edition, we can develop computer programs or computer applications or computer software. Okay, right? So these are the different applications using which we can develop with Java SE Standard Edition. Next, Java Embedded. So Java Embedded, initially it was known as Oak language. Now using Java Embedded, we have embedded system libraries. We can do embedded programming, develop programs for embedded systems. Java Cards. So we can develop programs for smart cards, credit cards, etc. All types of cards, debit cards, bank cards, etc. Or simply I can say this as bank cards. Okay, driving license, registration, everything, all types of cards. Next, Java EE. So double E stands for Enterprise Edition. Okay, so using Enterprise Edition, we can develop, okay, mainly enterprise applications, which are enterprise web applications. So best example is banking applications. So we can develop banking applications, very big applications, which uses Java SE, okay, in these applications. Next, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So using JRE, we can run Java programs on any system. Okay, so JRE is used for running Java programs on any system, and JRE is responsible for platform independent of Java programming language. So we'll discuss about JRE when we download Java software I'll show you what is the importance of JRE and its folder which is installed in our Windows system. Next, Java FX. Okay, now coming to the JRE, run Java programs on any machine. Okay, right, Java FX. So using Java FX, we can perform animations in Java applications. So animations means not big animations like avatar, transformers, basic animations which are used in end user applications, basic animations. Next, Java ME. So ME stands for micro edition. Okay, and next, Java for mobiles. Okay, so actually ME mobiles was under embedded system only, but now micro edition and mobiles has been separated. So micro edition means very small applications like micro USB, micro cameras, micro speakers, very micro embedded applications. We can use Java ME. And then Java for mobiles, we already know that Nokia mobiles, Motorola mobiles, Samsung mobiles, feature phones, they used Java for mobiles to develop applications and games. Java for TV, smart TVs, we can have Facebook, browser, Twitter, we can have different applications on TV. Like we have Amazon Fire TV, which is based on Android, and in Android we develop those applications using Java. And then we also have Java database, like Oracle database. Java also has a small database. So this database is used for TV applications, mobile applications, and then embedded applications. Okay, so apart from Java Standard Edition, we have these many products using which we can develop Java programming applications for different electronic devices. Now, in all these applications, Java SE is a standard edition, means it is a base programming language. If you learn Java SE, you can do programming for all different types of Java programming products. Okay, right. So today in the market, for any electronic device, mouse, remote, mobile, keyboard, USB devices, computers, embedded systems, UPS systems, inverter system, printers, scanners, digital cameras, for any electronic device you can use Java programming to develop the software. And hence Java is the preferred computer programming language in IT industries for developing computer applications. So these are Java programming products. So I will show you all these products when we download Java from Oracle website under Java section. So that is what is all about today's session, demo session 1 in core Java programming, introduction to Java programming, history to Java programming, different Java computer applications, and Java programming products. Right. Thank you for watching and listening to this session. Have a nice day.